Hello everyone, in this guide I will show you how to send money using the MoneyGram app. First, open the MoneyGram app on your device. If you already have an account, tap on the login option and enter your email address and password. If you do not yet have an account, tap sign up and follow the steps to create one. Once you've logged in, you'll land on the home screen of the app. Under the Recent Activity section, tap the Send Money option. A pop-up will appear at the bottom of your screen with two choices: send money and pay a bill. Select the Send Money option to continue. Next, you'll need to choose the currencies for your transaction. By default, the sending currency will be United States dollar (USD). The receiving currency will automatically display based on the country you are sending to. For example, if you choose Mexico as the receiving country, the currency will be set to Mexican peso, MXN. You can also change the receiving currency by adjusting the country you're sending to. If you switch the destination to Ukraine, the app will show you the conversion rate, such as $100 USD equals 2,560 Ukrainian hryvnia. After confirming the country and the currency, enter the amount you would like to send. For instance, if you type 50 USD, the app will automatically calculate and display the equivalent amount in the receiving currency. Now tap on Select a Payment Method. You will see different options such as debit card, credit card, or cash at a location. Choose the method that is most convenient for you. Many users prefer debit or credit card for faster processing. Once you have selected your payment method, you will then need to choose how the recipient will receive the money. The receiving method could be cash pickup at a MoneyGram location or a direct bank deposit. For bank deposits, you may be asked to specify the bank. In some countries, you might need to select a particular bank such as private bank, while in others you can simply select all banks. If you have a promotional code, be sure to enter it in the promo field to take advantage of any discounts or benefits. Once all the transaction details have been filled out, tap the Confirm button located at the bottom of the screen. If you've completed the steps correctly and ensured that your account has sufficient funds or an active payment source, the MoneyGram app will process your transaction. After successful processing, the app will provide you with a reference number. Be sure to share this reference number with your recipient, as it will help them collect the funds more easily and without confusion. And that's how you send money using the MoneyGram app. By the way, if you're tired of paying high fees when you send someone money, Wise is the best service I know. I use it myself to send and receive money with some of the lowest fees out there, plus you get free virtual and physical debit cards that work globally. Right now, you can grab an exclusive offer. Your first transfer up to $800 is completely free with zero fees. You can create your free Wise account using the link below.